Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome to Food Passion with Kulsum. Today we'll make a very easy and delicious recipe of mixed vegetables. This recipe is best eaten with roti. You can pack this for your kids' lunchbox. It's super delicious and very easy. So let's check out what ingredients we'll be needing to make this delicious mixed vegetable sabzi. 300 grams of mixed vegetables. I'm using cauliflower florets, carrots, French beans and capsicum. 2 large onions thinly sliced, 1 large tomato slice, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, a teaspoon of garam masala and a teaspoon of salt, 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil, around 1 tablespoon of crushed ginger and garlic, fresh coriander for garnishing. Alright, I've heated the pan and I'm adding oil. I'm using rice bran oil. This is around 4 to 5 tablespoons. I'll put the heat on high. I'm going to add the onions first. This is a very quick and easy recipe. You don't have to do any much preparation. Just chop and add in all the vegetables and it's done. So stir it for 2 minutes. Alright, so it's now frying for 2 minutes. Now go ahead and add the tomatoes. Now add the crushed ginger garlic. I'm using crushed in this recipe. It gives a very different taste than the ginger garlic paste. So do use this if you're making this. And mix it nicely. Stir it for 2 minutes. Alright, now just go ahead and add the vegetables. I have boiled the vegetables with a little bit of turmeric. I haven't boiled them till it's cooked totally, but it's half done. So now I'll add it. So mix it nicely. Now I'm going to add all the spices. And give it a nice mix. You can add mushrooms or baby corns if you want. You can use any of your favorite vegetables. Alright, this has been mixed very nicely. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to lower the flame and I'm going to cover it and let it steam for 5 minutes. That's it. And our vegetables will be done. After 5 minutes on low flame, I'll just make sure that it's not sticking to the bottom. Alright, our mixed vegetable ki sabzi is done. I'll add in some coriander. My quick and easy mixed vegetable is ready. I hope you like the recipe. Do try it and let me know in the comments box below. And don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Do take care of yourself. Until my next video. Allah Hafiz. Bye.